Good morning. I'm on my way up to Blackstock Mountain this morning. Whew, it's been rough. Started the day at Balsam Gap. I'm not too far from the summit, I think less than a mile. And then it's back to Balsam Gap. And then I go south on the mountain to Sea Trail to Craggy Dome. And then that'll be a 9-mile round trip. So I've got a few more miles to do, but so far I'm loving this peaceful, quiet morning. It's been raining, so I haven't filmed a whole lot. Didn't want to get my eye camera wet. So, but anyway, I'll try to film in between rain. All right, I'm on the summit of Blackstock. I don't see the marker. Yeah, no I don't. I don't even know if there is a marker. I've hiked that way and I've looked all around these woods, but I'm not seeing a marker or any sign. But I do think that this is the summit. So this is where I'm going to call it. $63.59 Blackstock Knob, the very last peak of the Black Mountains. Awesome. It's been raining all afternoon. Well, I made it to top of Craggy Dome. Got a long journey ahead back, so I want to cut this short and get the heck out of here.